And finally, vaccination clinics are being held today at UOG from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. and at the Northern Region Community Health Center. As well, testing will be held at the Old Teason Carnival Grounds and Southern Region Community Health Center in Inalahan from 8 a.m. to 12 noon. And speaking of Inalahan, we're going to go to the Zoom room where we have the Inalahan Mayor joining us live. Good morning, Mayor.
Good morning, Sabrina, Chris, and Jason. I heard you say like Inalahan 3 times. Just wanna
Inalahan.
Inalahan.
Help us.
Sorry.
Inalahan. There you go.
Inalahan.
There you go. Thank you. Anyhow, thank you very much for having me here today. I do want to take this opportunity to say, or at least announce the services that's going to be ongoing here in the Inalahan Community Center. First of all, starting today, and every Monday and Friday thereafter, moving forward, between 8 a.m. to 12 p.m., Mondays and Fridays, there will be the COVID testing here in the Inalahan Community Center. And so there will be the first time happening here, but we're also, upon request, this is supposed to provide some level of convenience to the southern folks. I've also reached out to our southern villages of Hagat, Jotnia, Talafofo, Maliso, and Umata to please, get it out there, get the word out there that the COVID testing is here and they don't have to go all the way up to Teats. And I've seen those lines, and because of those lines and some of the feedback we got from our people here in our village, we made a request for the testing to occur here in our village, and it is here today. And we're asking that they come around and patronize this simply because of the convenience. I also want to re-announce, if anything, I know it's been announced regularly, but every Tuesday and Wednesday from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. From 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. every Tuesday and Wednesday, there's vaccinations going on. And we ask the southern community to take advantage of this. Of course, the doors are open to anybody, but for convenience sake, it's here. We ask them to take advantage of that. I want to also just, if anybody has any questions regarding, whether or not there's opening slots or what have you, I'm going to give you the phone number. It's 828-7604 or 828-7605. So that's kind of what I'm wanting to get out, the message out there, and that's what I wanted to do. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Mayor. Just go ahead.
Oh, I wanted to ask, have you been in any discussions or heard anything about an infusion center somewhere down south for the monoclonal antibody treatments?
Okay, yeah, so I did actually pose that question, and as of yet, right now, they're still getting all the equipment in place. I know right now Manila was one of the first areas that they were getting situated in, and unfortunately, even that was being delayed right now, I guess, because the team has not arrived. But yes, we have asked for that to occur here as well, and that's still in discussion, and as of yesterday, that is still being discussed, whether or not they're going to make that opportunity available down here.
Mayor, so just let me recap this. You're saying Mondays and Fridays, the Southern Public Health Center COVID-19 testing will be conducted from here on out?
That is correct, yes.
And then Tuesdays and Wednesdays will be vaccination days at the Southern Public Health?
That is correct. That has been ongoing. Unfortunately, we haven't, got a lot of attention on that, and
right.
That's why I want to use this opportunity to the listening audience, if they can help us, spread the word that that's ongoing here. And initially, when the schools first closed, of course, everybody, it seemed like we drew a big crowd, and the lines got a little hectic here. Unfortunately, it's now leveled out, and there's almost nobody showing up again. So we still want to reiterate that this is an option. It's something that, they can avail themselves, and it's very convenient because the lines are very short.
All right. Thank you so much, Mayor.
Thank you, Inalahan Mayor Tony Chargualaf there. Good luck this morning.
Thank you. Sidus Masi. Biba Inalahan.
Biba. Hagamas. Right on. So there's testing, guys. We've been complaining about this Tijan line being, an hour-long wait. Hours, plural. Mm-hmm. And I drove by this morning, and there was already a line there. So My southern people, go out and get tested. Know your status, okay?
And especially if you do need to get tested, because the governor's executive order for the mandatory testing, especially for GovGuam employees as well as private sector employees that are covered under one of her executive orders. If you need to get tested, please go and do so, or vaccinated.
Yeah, and as Mayor TC was saying, if you have any questions, especially if you're from the South, about testing, vaccination, the number that he was mentioning again, 828-7604 or 828-7605. It's in the comments if you guys want to jot that down, plug it into your phone.
All right.
Good resource.
And with your news now in Chamorro, here is Kin Conception.
Buenos noches to get some